Hi, welcome to today's video. In this video, I am going to model the book Dinosaur Roar by Paul and Henrietta Stickland. I like this book. I just recently got it from Goodwill, and I really love it because it is a book that is great for adjectives. And I love books that have adjectives, and then I'm planning on following up this book with some dinosaur play, and we can reiterate some of the adjectives that we talk about in the book. In my book today, you will also see that I have adapted it with the Avery label symbols, which I will have a video coming out about how to do that. But I just have the simple adjectives that we're working on so that the child can visually see what that's going to look like in their device. Today for the modeling, I'll be using the TouchChat app, WordPower 60 Basic. And again, I'll just be modeling this book and working on adjectives. All right, so here we go. So the title of our book that we're going to read. Our title is Dinosaur Roar. That dinosaur is so big. He scares me a little.
Scared.
With those big teeth. All right. Dinosaur Roar. Ooh, look at that. Big dinosaur. And those big teeth he has. My goodness. And this dinosaur, he squeaked because he is scared of that big dinosaur. And this dinosaur, look at him. He is little compared to our big dinosaur. Dinosaur is fierce. And another word, what fierce means, is angry. He is an angry, mean dinosaur. Oh my goodness. And then this dinosaur is meek. He's meek or gentle. All right, here's our gentle dinosaur. This dinosaur is fast. Whew, he's going to run fast to get that other dinosaur and to pass him up. And this dinosaur, he is slow. He's so big that when he runs, he is slow. Wow! We have another big dinosaur. He is so big that his head is above the trees. He's so high up there. He is above the trees. Oh my goodness! Look at that dinosaur. He is below the big blue dinosaur. And our little dinosaur over here is below the big dinosaur. Let's turn so we can read some more. Wow. There's our little dinosaur again. And he is weak compared to this dinosaur. Look at that big dinosaur. He is so strong. He can hold up the rock. He's strong. This dinosaur is short. Wow, there's lots of little dinosaurs that are short. And then we have another green dinosaur who is very, very long. Wow. Look how long he is. Woo! He is much longer than these other little dinosaurs who are short. That dinosaur is fat. Look how fat he is. My goodness. And he's eating a branch. Look at that. Or really, it's a whole tree, isn't it? All right. And then we have our little dinosaurs who are tiny. Those dinosaurs are tiny. This dinosaur is clean. Like after you take a bath, you get washed up and you are clean. But this big green dinosaur, whoa, he is slimy, dirty. Very, very dirty. Aww. Look at this dinosaur. She is sweet. Oops. I need to go back and search for my sweet. Sweet. She is sweet. And I like how she is blue and pink. Oh, look at this dinosaur. He is so grumpy. Grumpy dinosaur. I don't think he got enough sleep last night because he looks like he feels grumpy. Wow. This dinosaur. Look at that. He has spikes on the back. Lots and lots of spikes. And this dinosaur, he is bumpy. We have lumpy, but another word we could use is bumpy. Look at all those bumps on his back. They make his back look so rough and bumpy. Wow, there are all sorts of dinosaurs, aren't there? And look. They are eating their lunch. Yeah. Some are eating bones. They're going to eat bones. And others are going to eat some grass. Or leaves. Yeah, there's the leaves up there. Look at that little dinosaur. He is going to eat a big bone. Gobble, gobble, nibble, nibble, munch, munch, crunch. The end. We're finished with our book. So there's just modeling the book Dinosaur Roar. And again, we were just working on adjectives. Most of your adjectives are going to be located in the describe section. Some of these adjectives I did have to go in and put into make buttons for them in my app. So like tiny, you could use thin if you wanted to. Slimy, I put in there. So a couple of them, most of them are in there, but there were a couple that I had to make buttons for. And then, like I said, after this, I plan on using some dinosaur toys and going over the adjectives again and talking about the adjectives we saw the dinosaurs we saw in the book and some of the adjectives we used to describe them. So here's a fun activity that you can use in therapy that most kids really like, because who doesn't like some dinosaurs? All right. Thanks for watching.